Wait guys, let's take a look at this video.
You might want a layer. I thought our love would never fade, and now I'm lost in this parade.
With the help of AI, you can now create music videos like this. I was surprised when I was able to create this music video. It doesn't take any time to create this video. I'm going to show you step-by-step process of creating videos like this. There are YouTube channels and there are also TikTok pages that are creating something like this. For example, this particular YouTube channel was created on the 18th of April 2025. That was last month, and as of now this channel has gained over 24,000 subscribers. This channel's videos are getting views daily. It is not something hard. This is something that you can actually do. We are going to write our script. I've done all the hard work, I've made all the research, and I've come up with a prompt that is going to help you to write a good music script. Let me know in the comment section of this video if you need a prompt, and I'm going to share that with you. Here we are going to use ChatGPT to write our music lyrics. So open up ChatGPT. When you open up the ChatGPT, in the text box area here, just paste in the prompt that I'm going to be providing you. Let me explain what this prompt is actually talking about. I've put in a lot of effort to create this video for you, so do well to like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section of this video, say congratulations to me in the comment section of this video, and I will appreciate that. The prompt says, I want to create a heartbreak song. Please imitate. This is the person I'm trying to imitate. So if there's anyone you are trying to imitate, you're just going to enter that. If there's a particular song you want this AI to imitate, then you can get the link of that video and paste it inside here. Then after that, you are going to send this. After some few minutes, we have our song ready. So from here, we have the verse 1. This is the verse 1 of the song. If you go down, you can see we also have verse 2 of this song. And just like that, your song lyrics is ready. Now, we are going to generate our music using the lyrics that we have just generated. The next step after this step is the most important step, and if you miss that step, you are not going to have what you really want. So make sure you watch the next step I'm about to introduce. But now let's generate our music. To generate this music, we are going to be using this website called Suno. Most of you know this website, but I'm going to show you some things that you don't know about this website. Now open up Suno website. Simply open up Suno. Don't worry, I'm going to show you there are some things you don't understand when using Suno. For those of you that have already used this website before, what I'm going to be explaining here is going to open up your eye. When you open up the Suno website, sign in. After signing in, go over to your left hand side. You see the create option. Click on the create button. When you click on the button, you are going to see this. From here, you are going to click on custom because we want to customize our own lyrics. From here, we are going to go back to ChatGPT, and then we are going to copy the lyrics of our song. Then we'll go back to Suno, and from here you paste it inside. Then you are going to come down, and then here you paste in your style, the style you want to use. From the prompt which I will be providing for you, you are going to have a suggestion for the Suno style you want to use. You are just going to copy this. This is the style we want to go for. So copy that, go back to Suno, and here under styles, you are going to paste that prompt inside that place. Then you come down, you enter the title of this song. So let's say the title of this song, I'm going to call it Heartbreak Song. So after entering that, then you come down here where you see create, click on create, and your song is going to be created. We have two songs being created for us. Let's listen to the song and see how it sounds like.
You might want a layer like never, but now I'm lost in this parade of memories that won't let me go.
So you can see how beautiful that song sounds like. Let's listen to the second one.
You might want a layer.
Wow, guys, you won't believe AI just created that particular song for us. So now we are going to download both of these songs because I love them both. I'm going to download that. Now, if you want to download the song, simply come over here where you see these three dots, click on it. then come here, click on download. You are going to download this as an MP3 audio. If you have watched up to this point, congratulations to you because you have just generated your music. So now let's go ahead to generate our AI character that we will be using as our AI artist that will be singing this song that we have just generated. To generate your AI avatar, what I'll advise you to do, go with a good looking female or a good looking male. I'm going to show you how to get this done by using either Piclumen AI or you can use Ideogram AI to generate your AI avatar. I forgot to mention this. For you to have commercial right to use this, then you need to upgrade to the pro version of the Suno website. Another website that you can use to create your song is FlexClip. FlexClip also allow music generation, so you can use that to create your song also. So we are going to use ChatGPT first to generate the visuals that we need for our song. Now I've provided this prompt, so if you need this prompt, let me know in the comment section of this video. I'll also provide this prompt for you. So after putting in our prompts, you are going to come down here. You can see we have up to 10 prompts provided for us. So anyone you want to use from this prompt, you can go ahead to make use of it. So let's say, for example, we'll copy the second prompt here, then go to Piclumen, then from here paste it inside, and then go over here and set the model to Piclumen Art version 1. Then from here, make sure you select 9:16 aspect ratio, then come down and here you are going to select images per batch, select 2, and then click on send. So here you can see we have our image ready. If you also see we have a second image, you can see these are other images I've generated using the Piclumen website. If you want to download the image, simply come down, click on this download button, and the image will be downloaded. If you want to use Ideogram AI for this, simply go to the website ideogram.ai, and from here, make sure you select the aspect ratio. For this, you select 9:16 as we'll be using this for short. Then from here, we are going to paste in the prompt we want to use. Then click on generate, and just like that we have a very good looking image ready for us to use. So this is the first image. If you want to download the image, simply click on this download option and your image is going to be downloaded. And just like that, our AI avatar has been generated. It's time for us now to move on to the next step, which is very important if you want to get a good looking AI music video. In this step, we are going to combine the AI music we generated and the AI avatar we just generated into a music video. So now for this, we are going to be using this website called Wondershare Verbal. With this Wondershare Verbal, you'll be able to add motion to your AI avatar just like this. After adding motion to it, then we are going to use this same website to make this character sing our music that we have just generated. This website link will be in the video description of this video, so simply just click on it and come to the website. When you come to the website, you will need to sign up. After sign up, then you come to this page. From here, you just come here and click on talking photo. Click on create video. Click on create a new photo. Then here click upload, and you'll be asked to upload the photo you want to use. Now this is the photo. Come down here, click on confirm. So here this is the image. Click on the image, and then you will need to add motion to this your image. And to add motion to the image, come here and click on add motion. So they'll ask you this. Come over here, click on start training. And then this AI is going to train your image, add motion to it. And after some few minutes, the motion has been added to the image. Now we need to click on the image, and then from here, click on create video. So since we are going to be using the audio script that we generated, we are not going to enter any text in this area. So what we are going to do from here is to come down here where you see audio script, click on that. And then from here, you are going to click on upload. You select the music audio you want to use, then come over here and click on open. So now the file has been uploaded. So let's say the language of this file is not English. Then you will need to come here, click on English. Then from here, select the language of the file you just uploaded. Then after that, click on apply. Now the audio has been uploaded. So if you want to add subtitle, you can select any subtitle from here to add over your video. But if you don't want to add any subtitle, then you can come down and click on create video. And just like that, after some few minutes, we have our video ready. Let's just click on this video and then we'll take a look at the video. That is the video. If you are satisfied, then you can come here and click on download to download this video. And just like that, our AI music has been generated. But that is not all. What I'm going to show you in this final step is how to fine-tune this music video that you have just generated so that people can enjoy it. And for that, we are going to be using CapCut. From CapCut, we are going to add Auto Caption to the video, and we are also going to add some effects to the video. Open up CapCut. If you are using your mobile phone or you are using your laptop, it is the same process. On CapCut, from here, click on Import to import the video. If video is imported, click on the video layer and drag it to the timeline down here. After that, then we need to add Auto Caption over this video. To do that, click on Text, then come down and you're going to see Auto Caption available here. Click on Auto Caption, then here select the source language. I'll leave it as English. You can translate the language to any language of your choice, but I'm not going to be translating the language. So I'll click on create. We are going to edit this caption. Click on one of the caption, then come over here where you see basic, click on template. So from template, you can then select any caption of your choice from this place. For this, I'm going to select one of these templates, and then I'll come to my screen and increase the size of my text template. If you don't like that text template, you can go ahead to select another text template. And now we have our text template. So if you are satisfied, then you can go ahead to play your video. So you see that if you want to add some filters or effects over your video, you can go ahead, click on effect here, click on filters and add that to your video. And after that, then you can export your video. Your music video is ready. You can now go ahead to post this on your TikTok page. You can also post this on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any social media at all, and you gain thousands of views. I've put in a lot of effort to create this video for you, so do well to like this video. Drop a comment for me in the comment section of this video. Say congratulations to me in the comment section of this video, and I will appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.